Open APIs and APIs in general in the ecosystem, it's really a driving force that's allowing us to see innovation. It's opening up the ability for external parties to add innovative services on top of the services that niche providers put into the market space. So it's opening up collaboration, partnerships, and allowing innovation to happen at a speed that we've never seen before. So when I think of innovation, I think of agile. I think you need to be doing things in sprints, rapidly rolling out minimum viable products, and really collaborating with others in the ecosystem to bring best-in-class client experiences to the table. For me, it's also looking at not your traditional space, so for existing providers, rethinking your go-to-market strategy and really looking at the entire client experience in areas that you weren't necessarily looking at before. If you think holistically at the client experience, sometimes for a processor or a merchant acquirer, you're not thinking about the experience until the payment is actually being initiated. So if we think ahead of where that initiation factor is, maybe thinking around things around geolocation services to find next best offer. For me, the Internet of Things really relies on an open API ecosystem. We're moving payments all the way to the background and focusing on the entire purchase decision or the entire user experience, where the payment almost becomes an afterthought, and that's where it should be in that client experience model. So looking at the new payments ecosystem, for me, it's really breaking down the walls that used to exist. We're looking at an evolving larger pie, and for me it's a rising tide will raise all boats situation. So the more that we put the client at the center of the equation and start to break down those walls that existed between acquirers, different FIs, fintechs, and legacy providers, we're going to see a greater share of a pie to split amongst ourselves. And for me, that idea of partnerships kind of at the center. When you bring those other non-traditional parties to the table, for me, that's where the innovative experiences are going to explode from. PSD2 is really a push to innovate. In the European market, because of the way the market's fragmented, this is a way to level the playing field and allow the best and most innovative solutions a space in the market and a way to enter that market. When we think of PSD2, I think we need to look at it more as an opportunity to innovate and an opportunity at large as opposed to a threat.